Hi everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to Conversational Phrases. We've found that the best way to learn a language is to speak it from day one. And the best way to start speaking is to learn phrases that you'll use in real conversations. In this lesson, you'll learn conversational phrases to use when talking on the phone. After watching this video, you'll be able to ask for someone on the phone and to put someone on hold. And if you want to learn more vocabulary, phrases, and example sentences you can use in real-life situations, click the link in the description to download your Making a Phone Call PDF cheat sheet for free. Now, let's take a look at some conversational phrases.
Listen to the dialogue.
您好，我找负责人。
好的，稍等一下。
Once more with the English translation.
您好，我找负责人。
Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
好的，稍等一下。
Okay, just a moment. First of all, you'll need to learn how to say hello on the phone. That's
您好，您好，
then you'll need to learn how to say, I'd like to speak with person. The pattern is
我找
person. This Chinese sentence literally translates as, Hello, I look for person, but it means I'd like to speak with person. For example, Hello, I'd like to speak with the person in charge.
您好，我找负责人。您好，我找负责人。
Now, how do you answer this question?
好的，稍等一下。
Okay, just a moment. Listen to it again.
好的，稍等一下。好的，稍等一下。
This Chinese sentence literally translates as, Okay, wait a bit, but it means, Okay, just a moment. Here are a few more phrases you can use with the same pattern to talk on the phone. The person in charge,
负责人，负责人，
a sales representative,
销售代表，销售代表，
the manager,
经理，经理，
customer service,
客服，客服，
Let's look at some examples. Listen and repeat or speak along with the native speakers.
我找销售代表。
好的，稍等一下。
我找经理。
好的，稍等一下。
我找客服。
好的，稍等一下。
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, I'd like to speak with person?
我找
Person. And how do you answer it?
好的，稍等一下。
Imagine you want to talk to a sales representative. Do you remember how to say, a sales representative?
销售代表。销售代表。
Say, I'd like to speak with a sales representative.
我找销售代表。
Now say you want to talk to a sales representative and answer it.
我找销售代表。
好的，稍等一下。
Now, imagine you want to talk to the manager. Do you remember how to say, the manager?
经理，经理，
Say, I'd like to speak with the manager.
我找经理，
Now say you want to talk to the manager and answer it.
我找经理，
好的，稍等一下。
Now imagine you want to talk to customer service. Do you remember how to say customer service?
客服，客服，
Say, I'd like to speak with customer service.
我找客服，
Now say you want to talk to customer service and answer it.
我找客服，
好的，稍等一下。
In this lesson, you learned new vocabulary and phrases you can use in your everyday life to talk on the phone. You're now able to answer the phone like a native speaker. Start by practicing in the comments below. Tell us and your fellow learners whom you'd like to call. Lastly, don't forget to click the link in the description and download your PDF cheat sheets. You'll get useful phrases you need for everyday life for free. See you in the next lesson. Bye!